Today we're going to do makeup that was a viewer request. Olivia Newton-John's character Sandy from the movie Grease. And as usual, I will show you the picture, my inspiration picture at the end. I am going to begin with skin. And today I'm going to use the Sicily Black Rose Skin Infusion Cream. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy today. I'm going to use a brush instead of a beauty blender to apply my foundation. Oh yeah, that's right. We have a stupid dipstick again today. So let's do that. This is really a dumb thing. It's probably so you can put it on a palette and work from a palette. Oh, I think this works better with a brush than with the beauty blender. I think I may have gotten too much. I put this much on because yesterday I went in twice. Bring it down my neck. I bought some new hair products for when I want to style my hair curly. I haven't mastered them yet, so we're not going to discuss them yet. I'm going to go ahead and take my foundation up on my eyelids. Cheers. This is my latest Charleston makeup artist merch. I told you wouldn't like it. There's no pink involved. It's because it goes with my shirt, my uniform. I think I'm going to work on the brows next. She has kind of a pin-up brow. Alright, I think I have that smoothed out. And this does seem to apply better with a brush than with the beauty blender. Okay, now for the brows. I'm going to use my Brow Gel pencil. I'm going to open my picture up here and get a good look at that. See if I can comb these brows up. I'm not going to tweeze any out for this look. Then they might be wrong for the next look. This is the BFF. It's real gluey. Make that arch look very prominent. And her brow comes out to a nice point on the end. This is just a clean brush. Alright, I'm going to move to the other brow. Alright, I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'll come back to the brows after I get the eyes situated. I'm going to use I have a navy eyeliner. It's a Laura Mercier. It's a cake liner. It's called Blue Marine, and I'm going to attempt to do her eyeliner with this. I wet the eyeliner cake with the Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 mist spray. Alright, she's got it thin on the inside corner. This is a winged liner brush. It's an EO6 from Sigma. I have the winged liner on now, and now that I'm looking in the camera, I can see that they're not the same on both sides. Alright, and she has another liner on too. And I don't think the other one's blue. I think the other one's black. I'm going to use this eyeshadow right here. It's in this Laura Geller, the Wearables Color Story Baked Shadow Palette. I'm going to use that as my bottom line, the other liner she's got on. When I first got this request, I was thinking, well, there's not that much significant about the look she wears at the end of the movie. It's just more. But when I expanded the picture, it's a lot more detailed than I first thought. Now I'm going to go in with the rest of the eyeshadow. She has a smoky blue on her lid. I'm going to take my E54. So I go for this brush a lot, don't I? And I'm going to do that smoky blue that she has on her lid. And I'm using Iris from that same palette. Laura Geller, Wearables, Baked, is it a baked? The Wearables Color Story Baked Shadow Palette. She's got kind of deep set eyes too. Meaning, like I do. Alright, I'm going to do the other one. And I'm sweeping the shadow with the sweeper. And she looks like she doesn't have lashes on. You can't even see the lashes in the picture. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm jumping ahead. Let's finish the shadow first. Alright, and then she has on a highlighter. I'm using the color Oyster as the highlighter for this look. And I'm feathering it there on the corner where it fades into the blue. She looks like she's got that blue right on in here. I'm using some of the Royal, which is a deeper blue. And it looks like her black comes all the way into here. And I'm going to powder my face. She's got a lighter skin tone. So I'm going to go in with a light color powder. This is the BareMinerals BareSkin Perfecting Veil. I'm going to use a little bit of, let's go ahead and do the mascara. I'm going to use the Superhero by IT Cosmetics. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I noticed that her eyes were tight lined. So I tight lined with this Laura Mercier Blue Marine Cake Liner. Didn't look like I got it good enough. I may hit that again because I see some skin. Yeah, she doesn't have on lashes. She's just got mascara. Okay, I'm going to hit that waterline again to make sure it's good and dark under there. Now for her lips. I'm going to use the Cherry Lip Liner from MAC. Now I'm going to use Dynamite. It's a Shimmer Shock lipstick from Buxom. I'm going to take a lip brush and perfect that. I'm going to contour my nose to look more like hers. And I'm going to do my jaw like hers. She's got a dimple. And she has highlight on her cheekbones. So I'm going to hit that too. Oh, we don't have the blush yet. I have to go see if I can find a blush that looks like that. Okay, I think I located a blush that's going to work for this look. Cut her back on again. Oh yeah, that's perfect. This blush is Rhubarb by MAC, and her blush is down here.